Aloha mai kakou. Aloha, 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 aloha. Aloha everyone. Today is the 8th of November, 2020. And I'm on my computer right now, my Lolo Wheeler. And I'm doing some lesson plans, and I just finished writing my first lesson plan, and I kind of wanted to test it out on as an ASMR sort of thing. Sorry, I had to cough. But yeah, I just want to see how it goes, see how it sounds like. If it sounds good in ASMR, then I think it would be ready to be on an actual lesson. So before I do the lesson, I actually want to do the word of the day. So the word of the day today is Ala Nui. Ala Nui. Street, road. Ala Nui. And if you wanted to say the street or the road, you would say Ke Ala Nui. 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 Street, road. Ke Ala Nui. Okay, so I'm on my laptop right now, and I have this script. So I'm just going to start reading and see how it goes, see how it flows. So here we go. So, Pahuapu 1, or objective 1. Na huapalapala o kapi'apa oiwi. So this chapter is basically about the Hawaiian letters or the Hawaiian symbols. Alright, so it says here, Hawaiian words are spelled with a set of 10 vowel symbols and 8 consonant symbols. Let's start with the voela, or Hawaiian vowels. The first 5 voela symbols are A, E, O, and U. Simple enough. The symbols may remind you of the English vowels A, E, I, O, and U. But as you may have noticed, the Hawaiian pronunciation is very different. Let's pronounce the voela once more. E ho'opili mai. Repeat after me. A, E, E, O, U. Once again. A, E, E, O, U. Now you may have also noticed that we only covered 5 voela symbols, and in the beginning of this lesson it was said that we have 10 Voela symbols. Well, let me introduce the symbol called the Kahako. The Kahako is basically a line that goes over all of the voila to elongate the sound of the voila. We'll discuss more about the Kahako later on, but just know when you're spelling out a voila with a Kahako over it, you would say the voila and the word ko right after. So for instance, the other 5 voila with the Kahako over it are ako, eko, iko, oko, and uko. You still with me? Lastly, we have the 8 koneka. Koneka, as you may have guessed, are the consonants of the Hawaiian language. The Hawaiian language shares 7 symbols of the English language: H, K, L, M, N, P, and W symbols. But of course, in Hawaiian, we pronounce them differently. We pronounce them as he, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, and ve. The last Hawaiian language, koneka, is called the Okina. Again, we'll go more into depth about the Okina and the Kahako symbols later on in the lesson. But just know that the Okina is a unique Hawaiian language symbol that is often mistaken as an apostrophe, but unlike the shape of a 9 that an apostrophe has, the Okina instead has the shape of a 6. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me, the koneka of the Hawaiian language. He, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, ve, Okina. One more time. E ho'opili mai. He, ke, la, mu, nu, pi, ve, Okina. We can use these symbols as a way to spell any Hawaiian word. For instance, if you wanted to spell out the name Hawaii, you would pronounce each symbol like so: he, a, ve, a, I, Okina, I. Or, if you wanted to spell the name Alika, you would pronounce it like this: Okina, ako, la, I, ke, a. Think you can try a few off? Think you can try a few on your own? Go ahead and visit the description of this video. You can challenge yourself by spelling out the given Hawaiian words in the way that it is taught in this lesson. If you want, you can also post your answer in the comment section to see if you got the same answer answers as other people. And yeah, that's the lesson plan that I made. It's not really a lesson plan, but more so like a script. And I think it's okay. I just added in a few things like or just I need to add in a few things because there's some things that I saw that I left out, some things that I misspelled, like I wanted to do the pronunciation one time and then another time, like 2 times at the very least. And I didn't have that in my script, so I'm literally adding it in now. But yeah, I like how it came out. I still have to come up with the words for the spelling challenges in the description of the video, but I'll post it when by the time I post this video, it's probably gonna be up there. That's the only thing I have to do right now before I go to sleep. It's like freaking 2 a.m. in the morning right now, 2:11 to be exact. So right after I come up with the words, I'm gonna head off to sleep because I'm tired. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys like the lesson, and I hope to make more in the future. But yeah, I've been doing this ever since 11 o'clock. So I spent like 3 hours of my life on this.